y'all. What's up? Before he gets carried away.
Before I get carried away, let me peel this shrimp.
We're actually making the TikTok rave with the, what is it? The Roma tomatoes, the basil, olive oil. We got Sicilian with the feta cheese. We're gonna use the penne pasta. We're gonna put some arugula in it, and the spices we have are like sea salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and thyme. Oh, we definitely throwing some garlic up in there too. I just didn't pull it out yet. But anyway, yeah, I figured I'd record this because it's like all the rave. And I definitely wanted to post this on a few different outlets. You know what I mean? So anyway, yeah, keep y'all posted. Oh, we're definitely adding shrimp to ours because I see that nobody adds like how do you eat this and not have a protein? It just doesn't make sense to me. So yeah, we're definitely adding shrimp. And Gerald is definitely getting the shrimp out now for me to make. And yeah, keep you guys posted. Peace. Gerald is peeling.
Correction, Chef Gerald.
Chef Gerald.
Thank you.
Is peeling the shrimp before I make them. Yeah. He did wash his hands. The haters will say that he didn't wash his hands. But he didn't. We are home chefs and we are very professional.
Right.
FYI. Mm-hmm. And so now we are rolling pasta. So Gerald is chopping up the shrimp in small pieces so that it'll go into the pasta seamlessly.
And it'll cook faster.
And it also will cook faster. True. Yes, the shrimp is being cut up. Mm-hmm. You see it. And you just dice them in small pieces, guys. That's pretty much it. Yeah. And then we're going to actually throw them in the pan. We got like this size pan. It's pretty basic. So it can all cook together. Babe, why are you using that one and not this one? Tell us why you're using that one. Don't look at me like that. He's giving me the look of death.
Because it got colors.
It's the colors for him.
Yes.
Okay, let's put the colors in.
It looks good on the plate.
It looks great on the plate.
Rinse it off first, though.
Yeah. Oh, he's rinsing it. Okay, they're rinsed because you see the water literally dripping. All right. Now we need more because that's not enough for this.
It's not dramatic.
The challenge includes the challenge. Is it a challenge? You're not gonna rinse those? Maybe not.
Don't call the health department. Don't call the health department.
So we're about to break out this feta.
For cheesy.
Please, babe, please be careful.
Listen,
I don't want you to cut yourself.
I have yet to cut myself. Knock on wood. I'm not gonna say somebody up.
Got knock on wood.
And you were talking about who's lacerated and stuff.
Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, where's my latest victim? It was my thumb. Yeah, I had like a bad accident, so I'm like not supposed to chop anything too much. Mm-hmm. All right, first piece of feta going in. Looks good. Oh, he's getting fancy for us, y'all.
There you go. I put him down. Showmanship.
All right, guys, we're gonna pour in the olive oil. We have Sicilian. What is it? Sicilian version, extra version.
Sicilian EVOO.
EVOO. All right.
Oh, look good, y'all.
Now, I don't know how much it's supposed to be, but it's there. All right.
It's all up in there. All up in there.
So we have Italian seasoning that we're sprinkling on first. Babe, get into it. Season this like you mean it. Okay. What's next?
Prepare.
And get your black pepper.
Prepare.
Let me just pass him everything he needs because.
Not too much pepper though.
Yeah, you don't want to overdo it with the pepper, guys.
No fire in your hole.
It's not supposed to be hot.
Garlic.
Now we go to Aldi, guys. I mean, it's already chopped up.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple. Add some garlic in there. It'll be great.
Thank you, dear.
And we're gonna sprinkle the. Why is it going on top of the feta and not the?
Because I don't want it to burn.
I don't think it matters, babe.
Listen.
Okay, so he's now gonna put in some basil on it. This is hilarious. Make the, you know, if you guys are
Make
like,
it yourself. Make it where you make it. Make it the
my,
way
you
make
guys
it.
go home and you make it the way you need to make it. So now we're doing basil.
Basil.
Yes.
Basil. Rough and rough.
So
I'm not chopping it up.
he's not chopping it up. He's going to rip it apart.
I'll chop it up when we comes out the oven and we're plating.
Okay.
This is just a rough chop. Very aromatic.
Yeah, you definitely smell the basil. All right, next we have arugula.
Arugula.
He wants to say it like that. Say it with that type of emphasis. Arugula. Yes.
This I'm going to cut up.
Now he's cut. How you going to cut up this and not cut up the basil?
The arugula is really peppery.
How much arugula are you using there?
This is a little small amount.
It's a small amount, guys. So, you know, if you buy a bag of arugula, just know that you're going to be putting that in salads for the entire week, okay? But you don't need a little bit for this. We don't need to be a ton of this inside. You don't want it to dominate the altered overall seasoning, which is the basil and the feta and the olive oil. You want all of those seasonings to come together and just emulsify.
And be harmony.
Emulsify, yes, and bond. And you don't want to distract that. So you're not going to put that much arugula in it. That's right, babe. Drop it down. Drop it. All
Make
right.
it rain. Make
All
it
right.
We call making it rain on these stripper tomatoes. Smack it real quick.
Stop.
Now we add the shrimp.
It's a less shrimp, darling.
Less shrimp.
I have to correct his French. Parlez-vous français all the time. Yeah, I don't speak a lot of French, but I kind of did a lot. But then, like, now I don't. But anyway. Babe, I think you want to get it closer to the bottom so it, like, really cooks.
Oh, yeah. I'm just putting them in there, spreading it out.
I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I'm like, I think that the shrimp should have been seasoned before.
Well, it's trial and error, baby. Dang.
Y'all seeing this first there, okay?
Look, we got some salt. We're going to put on there a little bit. Not a lot.
He didn't think about it.
No, listen, salt. The feta is really salty. The arugula is really peppery. So, and we got also balsamic vinegar.
I think that shrimp is going to come out a bit bland. But
No.
I'm going to keep y'all posted on it. But
You gonna see?
I'm going to say, if you do the shrimp route like we did, just
simple seasoning.
season the daggone shrimp before you put it in with it, okay?
Now we get the balsamic vinegar.
Now the balsamic. This going to make it amazing. That's bomb, okay?
There we go.
All right. Finished product. I'm supposed to dig into the cheese first. All right, I'm ready for the pasta now. Y'all, I'm hungry. I'm like extra hungry.
Just in there rushing the process.
I'm just ready to eat at this point. You know, should have been shaken before.
And now we mix.
Shouldn't you have a pair of tongs doing it, like rolling it around, or wouldn't that be easier? I'm just saying. get to it. I'm sorry. I'm very hungry.
Hangry.
And then I still have to take pictures of it when it's done. Yeah. Alright guys, here is the finished stirred product. The shrimp is already in there. We added some more, that's basil. Is that basil or arugula?
Basil.
Yep. Now we're about to plate. Alright guys, here is the final product. Here we go. We got it here with the Pinot Grigio Woodbridge. Got the roses, about to take the picture. Yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this with me and Chef Gerald. We cooked today.
Bon appetit!
Mm-hmm.